the right knee. Your fib, the little bone, is always on the lateral side, so this would be the right knee. It's nice to remind yourself of that because that means anything on the little bone side is the lateral side of this joint. Anything on the big bone side is the medial. Okay? So just to review the bones, it's not on here, but what's this one?
Tibia.
Tibia.
Fibula. Femur.
Femur. Great. Okay, and what would be inside here? What's that little one?
Patella.
Patella. All of them are long bones. What's this one?
Sesamoid.
It's a sesamoid bone, which we would consider irregular. It's the weird one. Lots of people will write short. Okay. Okay, let's go through them. So this is a highly compressed joint, right? So this is one that we're going to go ahead and reinforce with a fibrocartilage pad. So we're going to put in these menisci. We have two. We have the medial and the lateral. So the lateral is on the lateral side. The medial is on the medial. So this is the medial meniscus and the lateral meniscus. Unfortunately, we don't have a bursa model here, so we can't put that on the exam. We do have the anterior and the posterior cruciate ligaments. Cruciate means to cross, like to crucify somebody, right, is to put them on the cross. So here we have the anterior, the ACL, the anterior cruciate ligament, and you can see the beginnings of the posterior back behind it, but I'm going to flip it, and now we can see the posterior really well. Okay, so this is the posterior cruciate ligament. And then we have the tibial and fibular collateral ligaments, or you can call them the medial and lateral collateral ligaments. Collateral means they sit outside the joint. So here is the medial or the tibial collateral ligament, and here is the lateral or the fibular collateral ligament. You choose the name that's easier for you and you go with that. The patellar ligament is the one that stretches from the tibia up to the patellar. So it's just this segment from my fingers, between my fingers. Once it gets to the other side of the patella, what it's doing is it's actually joining up with all those quadricep muscles. So this is actually a tendon. So this is the tendon of the quadricep femoris. Remember that tendons connect bone to muscle, ligaments connect bone to bone. So that's why they have the different names. The only other thing I think they want you to be able to find are the articular cartilages. They would sit on this smooth surface, and in fact, in real bones that you get, you'll see that this portion of the bone is rough, much more rough in texture. This is really, really smooth because it's always had a cartilage composition to it. If we just swing around and you take a quick video of this, all of the blue is showing you the articular cartilage. Okay, so that's another visual reminder. And that's that.
All right.
That's your